Hello, you guys. Welcome to Product Focus Friday. This month we are working on my December daily because one, I want to get it done. I had a goal to have more of it done by now and it's not done. So we need to get some of it done. And two, it's Christmas in July, so why not, right? So we are up to day 8 in my album. I ordered pictures last Friday, which is awesome, except for when I ordered them, I forgot to include a couple. Somehow, because I was ordering the ones that I could do in sizes, and then I put all the ones that I needed to put in a collage to cut apart, and I forgot 3 of them. So I'll have to do, obviously I will have to do another order because we're only on day 8. But we have a lot of pages that are out of page protectors. So I want to kind of start putting some in page protectors because I want some decent, or some that are protected better than the ones I'm going to have. Luckily, I get most of my prints from Persnickety Prints, so they're pretty protected. I'm not too worried, but I'm just looking through, seeing if any of this rings a bell that I want to grab or use. Ooh, that's perforated. But otherwise, no, I want to get it in. Yeah. So, ooh, what's this? Oh, these are words. Okay. So I will keep this little divider in there, I think, because it's going to have circles and my shape for December 2021. So I did a theme of shapes for my December daily, or like icons, and that's kind of what that page was themed on. Not necessarily like overtly themed, like some of them are. This one is snowflakes, so just barely snowflakes showing, but then this one is a bird, so there's a giant cardinal, that kind of thing. This one was hearts, bam, there's a giant heart. Shaker pocket, actually. So some of them are subtle, some of them are in your face. What was this one? Oh, house, and I used a window and door, which I got a bone full of those yet, now that I think about that. So we're gonna use this transparency. We're gonna keep that in there as just a divider. I think, maybe not. I haven't decided. But I'm going to cut up, I figured I have all these, so candy cane, sorry, focus, Jackie. Candy cane is the theme for day 8, and I'm just going to put a picture of our lights on our house and kind of just tell the story of what I like to do every year. I have all these puffy peppermint circles from Citrus Twist, but I also have this lovely acrylic candy cane, I believe. I'm not sure where this is from, actually. And then I have a sequins mix that has the peppermints in it, as well as, like, this is a little ephemera piece from Citrus Twist candy cane. It's 5 cents. And I have Making Spirits Bright acrylic piece from Colorcast Designs. So I thought, because I have all, even though candy cane is our theme, because I have all these circle peppermints, what if I did a page with circles on it and some cutouts? And that's where, like, the picture can go in the cutout. These can go, I could maybe make a shaker pocket in the cutout, and my journaling could go in the cutout. And I thought I could just punch this tag into a circle, and that could be my journaling as well. So those are my ideas. So then I thought I would use this Vicki Boutin paper. This one is Hello December, Warm Wishes from last year. And I would use this as the paper. I'm not sure if I want to go this way or do all the circles. Haven't decided that yet. I think I might do all the circles. So I was going to make that our page. So that is where I'm at so far. So I'm going to trim down my paper and start figuring out where I'm going to put the circles and see if I can punch out a couple. And then also look at my picture and see how small I'm going to need a circle of it to fit on the page. And we're going to put it in the page protector. So this page will be going in a page protector. So I kind of want to get that out. You know what? We're going to do this. I'm going to get rid of some of these because I'm toying with the idea of leaving this transparency in there, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do with it yet. I haven't fully decided. So So let me get my paper trimmed down and some circles punched out and get started on that, and we'll go from there. All right, so I have cut a green piece of cardstock just to have as a backing for this. Same size. I've cut a 3.5-inch circle out and then a few 1-inch, and then this is a 2-inch circle. So I put my tag behind there so I can journal on there. I just wanted a piece of paper as backing, but I didn't necessarily need it to be a pretty piece of paper. So I placed the 2 white partial circles, some white, just some scraps for when I put the sequins down, and then I thought I traced, apparently I did not. I was going to trace where my photo went so that I can lay my photo down on the green and make sure it covers it. That way, when I get my photo printed and put down on here, I can just undo all the sticky backing of the foam, put the sequins down, which this piece is going to be a butt. I'm going to have to redo it. Undo all the sticky parts of the foam and put my sequins on the white spots, and then we'll all set. I'm plan on putting, which I could do that now. I was going to put a peppermint. Just want this lined up right. I was going to put a peppermint right here, which this is going to be a little thick for the page protector, but it should still work. Then there I'll have some peppermints and sequins. I'll have a peppermint sticker there, and then we'll do this as well. And it's kind of weird to see the inside of a puffy sticker, let me tell you. And then we'll decorate with more of the peppermints, and then when I get the photo on, we should have enough room on the photo to see the picture, and then do Making Spirits Bright. And then I will journal right here. And we might add, I don't know if we'll add any of this stuff, but I do need my number 8 for this. So I'm going to look for my number 8. I'm just going to stick my sequins and my candy cane and my acrylic piece, and we'll sprinkle these around after I get the photo on. I kind of want to see them after the fact. So that photo will have to be ordered. But now I can write on a sticky note what size I need. Well, here we'll get number 9 out. So we're doing that next. And number 8. So I'm going to go ahead and do my journaling and leave you guys for this, but stay tuned for more December Daily, and we'll do another page next week for sure, but there might be some in between. I'm just not sure. I'm trying to get it done, so I'm trying to do as many of these as possible, and since I don't have photos and I won't be necessarily finishing them, when I get my other photos, we can finish those other pages, which will feel so nice to have those done. But we will get these pages all prepped at least. So I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.